Hello, my good people. Back again, back again. Now, today I am still working on building my hot dog cart. So, today I have these brackets that I'm going to put on today. Now, I have them clamped down with these clamps, and these are going to go for my side tables that's going to be on the hot dog cart. I purchased these straight out of Tractor Supply, very cheap. I think they were like $1.50 a piece or whatever. I got 4 of them because I have to do one for one side, and then I'm going to do 2 more for another side. So we're drilling holes, well, actually marking our spots for where we're going to put our screws. We're going to drill our screws in. We're marking spots, and I just marked all 4 spots, and I'm going to drill the screws in right now. I think I'm using these, I think those are 10 by 3/4. I'm not sure. You can always double check, and it's always good to double check. So I'm going to check it for you to see what I'm using. I'm using the 8.5. 8.5. I guess that's centimeters. 8.5 centimeters. So, because it's definitely not 8.5 inches. So 8.5 centimeters. We're doing those. I didn't want the screws to be too long, so I just marked my 4 holes. I'm only doing 4. I only do 2, and the reason that being because this one matches up to the hole on this side that was already there, but none of the screws fit that hole. So we're going to go ahead and add our screws in, and we'll be right back. All right, we are done with drilling our holes, and I went along and added 2 more holes on, well, screws on each side. So you can see I added 2 more because I was only going to put 2 screws in them, and I said, well, for safety reasons and of course so this thing can be nice and sturdy, I decided to add 2 more holes. So this is what it looks like with the screws drilled through it, nice and sturdy. It ain't going nowhere, and I'm just going to continue to try to make this thing as durable and as sturdy as I can. But that is what we did today to finish working on the hot dog cart. It is putting one of the tables together, side tables that either I'm going to be serving on or whatever, putting condiments up there or whatever, but we'll see what it looks like when we're done. And like I always say, until next time, y'all be blessed.